Big data plus art, from a spreadsheet to emotional visualization. Big data is a process of storing, managing, processing, and using massive datasets. Volume, velocity, and variety represent three main components. Volume stands for size of data, variety stands for the number of classes, and velocity stands for speed. The combination of these qualities has led to new ways of presenting data. Big data and how it connected to art. Nowadays, even the computational capability of our phones is greater than any country had 50 years ago. It means we can process millions of rows of data in just a second. Moreover, now we can amazingly perform all this data with the help of artificial neural networks. Visualization is an art form to a certain degree. That's where the term data art was born. A perfect mix of science and design. On 4th July 2012, scientists found evidence of a new elementary particle predicted by Peter Higgs in 1964. This graph shows the flow of retweets through time as the rumor about the discovery grew. Starting from the blue nodes on top to the purple one at the bottom, tweets are connected together as if they have been retweeted. Strikingly, spiral-shaped network splits into two large spatial-temporal communities with Europe in the center and the US on the bottom. The number of connections in this network clearly shows that no borders can contain the joy resulting from a great scientific discovery. The Modern Jazz Festival. There is one of the most popular music festivals worldwide. The visualization shows with whom musicians of the festival play with, revealing two different categories of artists. On the outside border of the ring, we see artists who only perform with their band, forming many disconnected communities. On the opposite, those who jam with everyone, the stars of the festival, are well connected and are naturally located in the center of the ring. So, big data was one of the events of the last TID conference. After, this technology was included in the professional toolbox of public speakers. This is a great example of how pure science can be used in business in so beautiful and efficient way.